Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to cancel Mashreq Neo account. To close your account, guys, go to website as you can see here and scroll down. As you can see here, guys, scroll down, you find option reach us. As you can see here, you can reach the support by this email, guys. As you can see here, just click this email and contact this email and click subject, guys. Here I want, just like example, I want delete my account, as you can see here, guys, and click here for email. Click the reason why you want to delete account and click your details account, and after that you will support reply your email and you will guide you how to cancel your account step by step and easily. Just contact the support here, this email, or and you will find how to cancel. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like, share this video for more content.